So welcome students for the class of titles and generators. Today we'll learn how to add titles for your intro and for your end of the video and lower thirds and how to add time code generator, and we'll explore a little bit of other generators and titles very quickly. So let's start our FCP 10. Yeah, so I have added some title already. If you can check, I have added this title called Love Travel. It's right in between. Yeah, so for titles you have to go to this button over here on your top right, top left, sorry. Yeah, so you click on this and you will get access to all the titles which are inside given by FCP10. It's all free. They are 3D titles. Yeah, then there's 3D cinematic. Yeah, like this. Let's try adding this. Yeah, let's try adding this to our intro. I'm going to press I. I'm going to select this. Okay, I have to take this entirely. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to press Q so that it appears on my timeline. Okay, so now it's a big video. It's a big title. So I'm going to trim this, and my title is already here. Yeah, let's try to extend this, and I will click on this clip and I'll open my inspector. I'm going to switch and I'm going to click on title here so that I can make some changes and appear in the inspector. Yeah, basically it will give us access to edit text. I'm going to backspace, delete. I'm going to type in uh, titles and generators. Yeah, or maybe something small. So for complete tutorial, please visit my Udemy page and you'll find my course there. You can also check the description and there's a link to my Udemy course. So please click on the link and check the course for yourself. Thank you guys.